Hi, Mark Fraser at Edwards Garage. Today I want to show you this 2019 Chevy Cruze with the LT package. It comes equipped with a 1.4 liter turbo engine, so you got some get up and go with fuel economy. I want to show you the body condition. There are a couple small rock chips up here, easily touched up. Down the side you can see no dents or scratches. It's really good condition. Tires are in good condition. That's a 16-inch rim on that. Round back, we have one little scuff here. So inside the trunk of the Chevy Cruze, you can see it's got lots of cargo room, and I've knocked down the seats in front there, so you've got even more space for cargo. Just want to continue showing the condition of the body. As you can see, the sides, no dents or scratches. These are heated mirrors as I'm passing by there. So a nice little car, great condition, few minor rock chips. This comes with the automatic headlights and the daytime running lights. I want to take you inside now and just show you some of the options in the interior. Before I jump in the interior, I just want to show you some of the features on the driver's side here. You've got your power windows, your locking windows for child safety. We've got your trunk release here. Over here, as I mentioned outside, it has the auto headlights. And so I'll show you the rest of the features when I climb inside. So I'm inside this 2019 Chevy Cruze, and first I just want to point out some of the safety equipment and features. It does come with 10 airbags. It does come with a StabiliTrak. It does come with the backup camera. Nice little feature there. And it also comes with tire pressure monitors, so it's always good to keep your tires inflated properly. I want to continue on here with the steering wheel. We have our controls for our cruise control. We have our Bluetooth controls here, and then our driver information controls up on this side. And behind, like always, we have our paddle controls for our radio. Moving over here now, the vehicle does have Apple CarPlay. You can actually use your Apple CarPlay to use your Google Maps up on the screen here for safety as well. Down here we have your auto climate control, and here are the heated seats for both front and passengers. Down below here you can see we have two USB ports and a 12-volt plug-in. And back here we have auto stop start, which actually automatically starts and stops the vehicle if, say, you're in a lineup at a drive-through or at a stop sign. It'll shut the engine down for fuel economy. But this will disable that if it's not something you're enjoying. You can shut it off here. And this is the StabiliTrak and traction control. Up here we have our OnStar system, which is part of our safety program. And now I want to show you the back seat, to show you the condition, and I'll meet you back there. So we're in the back seat of this 2019 Chevy Cruze, and as I showed you earlier, these are the seats in the down position for more cargo, and it's easy to flip them back up just like that. And you can see everything's in good condition back here, and very well maintained vehicle. So there you have it, the 2019 Chevy Cruze with the LT package. This vehicle is actually a leaseback, and it's low kilometers. It's under 20,000 K. And we have a price right at $16,995. If you're interested in test driving this, come down today or give me a call, 403-845-3328, and we can schedule that test drive for you.